There is some good news tonight, though, from Pfizer, the company now saying that their vaccine is even more effective than first thought.
That is good news, and the final results showing that their vaccine is 95% effective, and they now expect to ask for emergency use authorization by this Friday. ABC's Chief National Affairs correspondent Tom Llamas reports from the Pfizer facility in Massachusetts.
Tonight, Pfizer fueling fresh hope after reporting trial results show its coronavirus vaccine is 95% effective, higher than first reported, and they say with no serious side effects. The company ready to ask the FDA for emergency authorization by Friday.
When I heard the over 90% efficacy, I felt that I was living a dream.
Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech found the vaccine was consistently effective across race, ethnicity, and age, and it was 94% effective in people over 65, the group most vulnerable to COVID. Ugur Shaheen and his wife, Dr. Özlem Türeci, co-founded BioNTech and developed the vaccine.
This new technology, this messenger RNA vaccine, appears to work as well in elderly people as in young adults.
It's the same groundbreaking genetic science used in Moderna's vaccine, which early results show is nearly 95% effective. But Pfizer faces a unique challenge. Their vaccine has to be stored at minus 94 degrees. It's stored in these freezer farms. Vials will be packed with dry ice in boxes like these and shipped around the world the moment Pfizer gets the green light. The general in charge of vaccine distribution for Operation Warp Speed insists it can be done.
Don't be afraid of the refrigeration requirement. The capability exists. If more is needed, the capability exists to purchase and have it delivered in a timely manner.
A new Gallup poll taken before the latest news from Pfizer and Moderna showed 58% of the adults asked were willing to be vaccinated.
So the question is, how long will the authorization take? The FDA is going to review the data, they're going to have a public hearing, and then the authorization process could take 2 to 4 weeks. If approved, up to 10 million Americans, maybe a little more, could get the Pfizer vaccine by the end of the year. And we want to point out, this is one of the manufacturing plants where they're actually making the vaccine as we speak. They're working hard. We see some cars in the parking lot here. They want to make sure they get this right. Reporting from Andover, Tom Llamas, ABC News.